We're doing it live.
Once again, we are live. So we're currently walking to the Guinness factory. Along the Keys, as they call it, which basically you walk along the River Liffey and you walk along the Keys. I think that's what it means. Anyway, so we're walking to the Guinness factory. We got a little late start in the day because we woke up at noon again, so we didn't get to do all the things that we wanted to, and it's already 3:20. And so we're gonna go to the Guinness factory, take a tour. You get a pint at the end. We'll probably meet up with a few of my work buddies for a pint after they're done with work. And maybe we'll go check out Book of Kells, but it's probably closed by the time we'll get there. But for now, it's what we're working with. Walking through the city. It's a nicer day. No rain yet, knock on wood.
It's a great day.
So that's what we're doing now.
I already saw some schoolgirls on the dart.
Oh yeah, there was some like pretty talkative 10-year-olds. We'll post a video about that. I